Okay, now we're ready for the eggs. Got the vegetables, mushrooms, celery, red, white onion, carrots, steak and chicken all in there. We done minced up some tomatoes. We got this that we'll add at the end with the rice and the tomato. Now we're ready. We're almost eating. Now here I put a scoop of butter, the minced up garlic, and a nice drop of ginger. And a little bit of sesame seed oil, olive oil. We're going to move on and start dumping the jasmine rice there. And then we're going to start putting that Kikkoman sodium and mix everything together. Get the vegetables cooking, throw a little bit of butter, sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on there, get it going. Cook it separately. Rice, meats and veggies, final veggies, eggs. Alright, so here's the breakdown. Chop up some chicken. These are boneless chicken thighs. That was a New York strip. Chop it up, cook it separately. Chop up some garlic. That's a mushroom. Chives. Here we got carrots, white onion, red onion, and some celery. 6 eggs, beat them up. And these are some grape tomatoes for the finishing. I've already gone and fried some yellow plantain, which adds tremendous flavor. And then we're going to pair it up with a little bit of sesame seed oil, some ginger. That's going to be the soy sauce, a little bit of black pepper, and the butter and garlic go together. As you can see, everything is in the pot, ready for the mixing, the fixing, and the eating. I've already poured the soy sauce, as you can see. Tomatoes, the chives. We're going to have the beehive buzzing. We're going to have this whole entire beehive buzzing. Especially Queen Bee. I'm going to earn me some brownie points tonight, boy. Ooh-wee. We're going to get me chocolate chip cookies.